Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Holiday Rambler Vacationer 33C. But again, the Vacationer is full body paint. It's Holiday Rambler's top of the line motorhome. It does have the Mobileye collision mitigation system and a bonded windshield automotive style, so it's very, very nice, very high-end, great quality. It does have the big 22.5-inch tires with full body paint, aluminum slam latch doors with frameless windows. The quality and construction on this thing is top of the line, tier 4, but the inside looks even better.
The inside looks better.
So inside, we'll get started with this cockpit area. Very nice cockpit. I feel like a Commander. Comfortable seats. We do have a bunk over the cab right here. It's very nice. Over here, we do have a dinette that drops down to make a bed. What I love about the Holiday Rambler is the dinette cushions are designed like a sofa, so there's springs in it. Super comfortable. Right over here is your kitchen area. Beautiful tile, beautiful countertops, and look at the cabinetry. The details in this is super nice. Coming on into the midship is your living room. You have the theater seats directly across from the fireplace, TV, and entertainment center. What I love about this product is that Holiday Rambler is known for its quality for the Vacationer Bounder, but yet they keep with the times with these beautiful cabinetry. That's what I absolutely love about it. Nice bathroom right there. And to wrap it all up in the master bedroom, we do have a nice bed right here. Plenty of storage over here with a combo washer and dryer. Well guys, that's it. That's a quick 2-minute tour. Thank you guys so much for checking it out. If you're interested in seeing the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is the motorhome that you want to buy, fill out that link down below and one of our motorhome specialists will reach out to you and get you a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time.